Let's talk about failure. There seems to be two schools of thought. Failure is not an option, and it's okay to fail. Perhaps they're saying the same, or at least similar things, but they're coming from different directions. When someone says, failure is not an option, it doesn't mean that everything will go perfectly, or that every step and every action will go as planned, but that in the end, they will succeed. In other words, they'll do whatever it takes to succeed. When someone says it's okay to fail, they're saying it's okay to get it wrong, or it's okay not to get it right. Yet. The yet acknowledges that this is a process that needs to be worked through. The it is an important word too, as it needs to be defined. Most goals are reached by lots of smaller things being achieved. So does the it refer to the big goal or a small step on the path to the goal? Recognising the point of failure is the important thing, because that means that you've learned something. Finding a way to put it right is the next step, and is also where more learning takes place. So, just as failure is not an option was all about doing whatever it takes to succeed, so it's okay to fail also recognises that there's a learning process going on, and that the failure is only a temporary setback on the path to success. The stories of overnight successes of athletes, entertainers and business people are usually preceded by years of struggle, setbacks and failures. Their biggest failures are often their moments of greatest learning and are often the turning points in their careers. As Jamie Kern-Lima, author of Believe It, says in her book, when something hard happens, once you're able to process it emotionally, you're left with choices. Do you victim up or do you warrior up? Do you give up or do you level up? The up is up to you. So failing is giving you an opportunity to make things right. Being in an environment where it's okay to fail is also giving you the opportunity to make things better. And the only real failure is when you stop learning and give up.